Hi, today after a long time I have a challenge log for you guys. It's number 12 Dexter Dilemma by Crunk, uh, built 25th of April 2018, and I am trying to get out the key so I can show you the bidding. It's a 5-pin log but pretty crazy bidding. And on the other side it says blame Bill Bacardi for the beating. Yeah, but yeah, it's a fantastic beating, and the lock is working very nice, smooth. So I don't know how he did it, but that's so awesome. So first one is very long, short second, two long, and fifth one is pretty short one. And because of that I was thinking to go with my standard default diamond, but I decide, because of the bidding, because the lock was not mummified, I will start with a deep hook just to see how it's going to be. And I will use the, let's say, clockwise, it's easier for me, and if it's not working I will switch to counterclockwise. So let's see, 1 nothing, 2 nothing, 3 nothing, 4 it's binding but nothing, 5 it's, so let me start, yeah, click from 5, 4 nothing, let's go again from start, 1, because I know that the 1 is pretty long one, I'm not trying to pick pin number 1. I touch pin 2 and we are open. That's why I always want to key to be modified, but yeah, it is what it is. I think I got this one from, I think it was Southampton lockpicking club, but I'm not sure. Probably they pick it and it did not mummify, or but it was not mummified when Crunk sent it to them, or yeah, and because of that I was able to pick it in a short time. I wanted to try again, so 1 small click, 2 3 nothing, 4 nothing, 5 click, 4 fill set, 3 nothing, 2 nothing, 1 2. Now I cannot do the same thing. I think for some reason pin number 2 is not back. The light is going. I just want to 1 2 nothing, 3 4 5, yeah, click from 5, then I touch pin number 2, yeah, again the same thing. So if I did not know the bidding, probably I will go try to pick to touch pin number 1 and 3, but yeah, it is what it is. So let's check what he put inside. So let me give you a close-up. So you can see every pin on the top, they are standard key pins, and only 3 and 4 are T-pins and pretty big springs. So yeah, guys, that was the Dexter Dilemma. Pinned by Crank, and I think was sent to me by Southampton Lockpicking Club. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.